Instead of throwing this in the trash, use it to water your peonies. This simple fertilizer may help your plants produce an abundance of blooms and stay beautiful throughout the season. Peonies need extra support right now because they are growing vigorously and preparing to flower. Start with a regular potato and peel it. The potato peels are the part you need. They are rich in potassium and other nutrients that support plant growth and help develop strong stems. Many gardeners consider potato peels a valuable natural resource because they provide plants with nutrients that would otherwise go to waste. Place the peels in a large jar or container. Next, add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which help enrich the soil and are often used in homemade plant feeds. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which many gardeners like to include in their homemade plant care mixtures. Now pour in about 1 quart of water and stir everything thoroughly. Close the container and let it sit for about 24 hours so the ingredients can release their properties into the water. This creates a natural liquid feed that is easy for plants to absorb. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a watering can. Use this homemade fertilizer to water your peonies directly at the base of the plant. This natural mixture can help improve soil quality and support the development of a strong root system. Apply it once a week, and over time your peonies may develop stronger stems, healthier leaves, and significantly more flower buds. When blooming season arrives, they will reward you with large, fragrant flowers that become a stunning feature in any garden. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. These fertilizers will help you enjoy lush, blooming pansies. Pansies are wonderful flowers that require proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 easy-to-make fertilizers. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only enrich the soil with necessary nutrients, but also improve its structure and prevent drying out. Just add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container, pour in a liter of water, stir, and let it sit for an hour. Then, pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in a liter of lukewarm water. Yeast supports plant growth, especially for those that need large amounts of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your pansies healthy and blooming abundantly. Regular use of both fertilizers will improve the plant's condition and provide the right growing conditions. You'll definitely be pleased with the results. This natural fertilizer makes my flowers grow like crazy. It contains everything flowers need. I can use it on any plant in the house. My plants have finally stopped getting sick, and their roots have strengthened. The flowers are beautiful and healthy. Thanks to this fertilizer, potted plants have large green leaves. It increases the number of buds and shoots in flowering plants. This homemade mixture contains all the essential elements: potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicon, zinc, and others. To prepare it, you'll need rice and either a blender or a coffee grinder. Start by making rice flour from the rice. Meanwhile, get a jar ready. Put a teaspoon of rice flour into the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat 500 milliliters of water. Pour the hot water over the mixture in the jar. Close the jar and let it sit for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Dilute it. Add 500 milliliters of water for every 100 milliliters of fertilizer. You can save the rest of the jar's contents for later use. Now, water your plants with this mixture and wait for the results. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and your plants will be covered with beautiful, full blooms. With this fertilizer, your potted flowers will have large green leaves. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. To start, grab a blender and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the roots and supports their growth. The next ingredient is coffee. It's a source of nitrogen, which promotes leaf growth and improves soil quality. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the blender. Now it's time for rice. Best to use white, unrefined rice. Rice contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help with flowering and plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon. Blend all the ingredients into a fine powder. In this form, the plants will absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively. Transfer the mixture to a smaller container. Add 1 tablespoon to the soil in the pot and gently mix it in. This fertilizer works for all types of plants, both flowering and green ones. Use it every 2 weeks. That's all you need to see amazing results quickly, naturally, effectively, and completely for free, using ingredients you already have at home. Make a pink elixir for your plants. They'll be bushier than ever. Start by preparing a tall glass container. The key ingredient for this fertilizer is potassium permanganate, a substance with strong antiseptic and oxidizing properties. Add a small amount to the container, then pour in water and mix well. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Lemon is a natural pH regulator that helps plants absorb nutrients. In another container, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This amazing ingredient helps neutralize excessive soil acidity and improve soil structure. Squeeze half the lemon into the container with the baking soda. Now, take the pink potassium permanganate solution and pour most of it into the container with the baking soda and lemon to achieve the right concentration. Then strain the fertilizer through a sieve to prevent lemon seeds from getting into the solution. Your pink elixir is ready. Use it once every 3 or 4 weeks, watering the plants at the base. With this natural fertilizer, your plants will become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to diseases. Try this method and see the spectacular results.